Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today, rapid fire, going to show you how to speed up a video in Premiere Pro. Okay, so all you need to do, have a video you want to speed up, right click on it, you'll see this big old drop down menu. You want to head over to speed/duration. You'll be greeted by this menu. If you want it at half the speed, 50% speed. If you want it at double the speed, 200% speed. Okay, you can also reverse the speed, which means your video will play backwards. Once you've got the speed you want, press OK. I'll show you here. Double speed. That easy, that fast. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice rest of your day.